All right, so let's match those nails, the neon lemon lime color and the red with the animal print with a handbag. I am thinking of like a large clutch. I think I have on our Pinterest, just kind of just shuffling through so you guys can get a glimpse of what I see. Yes. This can be it if you want to really hone in on the neon or red. I just know is very no. Oh, this can be a vibe too, or this. No, that's a little off. This. Well, no, that ain't it. Yes, we're this. Now, if you really want to hone in on the red with the nails, then you can go for this just Cavalli bag. This is my chair, just in case y'all like, what is that black thing? This is a vibe if you want to hone in on that red, or you know what? I was really feeling that other bag by Victoria Beckham. This bag was a vibe, and you see also she has very similar color combinations as well, but this dress has a little bit more of a green undertone. So if you are the girly who wants to match their nails with their bag and you want to really hone in on the red, I couldn't decide. I'm just kind of doing this on the spot, kicking it with you guys. So you guys can be the decision by comments down below, or you can opt for this little number if you wanted to really highlight that neon type of color. I like all of them. It just all depends on the woman. And also where you going. If it's just like a fun girls' night out, I definitely would go for this. I will go for this because if it's a girls' night out, meaning we are out on the town and we're about to have some fun. I don't want to be cutesy. Like, we're cute already, but like we are really gonna have some fun. But if it's like a date night, I would opt for this. Cause this is where I'm like cute and really just really in my ladylike bag. So y'all let me know down below which one would y'all wear with the nails. All right, so for this one, I wanted to do both. I didn't do it with the other ones, but for this one, since I don't know, this one definitely gets me inspired. I feel like I want to try this out soon. But let's find some color combination just so the girls who doesn't want to just wear a red bag or a neon yellow, like a lemon lime color, I want you guys to also kind of just see what other colors goes well if you had this exact type of color palette on your nails or any type of design, or even if it's a totally different design and you have the same exact colors. I want to lay out some great color combinations, some color pairings that you can try out. First, I definitely want to lay out the foundation of the colors. So pulling that red, that exact red that is right here, and then also just pulling the yellow so that I can kind of see that. I like to call it that lemon lime because it does have a tone of like a green, even though it looks yellow when you quickly look at it. It has like a green undertone, as you guys can kind of just see right there. So those are the two colors that is on the nails. And shout out to the nail tech. Shout out to all the nail techs, but shout out to this one because you are definitely have been inspiring a lot of people on our Pinterest that love this design and that are always just looking for designs, because nails is just it during the summertime. It's definitely a part of the look. So the first color, sorry, I feel like I got something in my eye. A shade of blue. I mean, it's like the elementary colors, blue, even though this is like a yellow green, it's just a given. This cobalt blue really looks good. If you want to wear like an all, I think wearing like an all cobalt blue outfit or a dress and then letting your nails really be like the superstar, that would look super, super fly. I'm just thinking about it in my head, how that would look. Another way is another color that would look really, really good if you wore like a dark cranberry. I'm just thinking at the top of my head. That would look good. This is more of like a purple. I did this similarly to another, I don't know if that's a word, similarly, but I did this with another nail, but sometimes some people just look very, very good in the blue, the deep blue, like the royal cobalt blue versus the violet purple blue. So I like to kind of get that alternate to kind of just showcase, because there's like 8 billion people in the world. So here is our next one that I had in mind, which is like a rusty orange with like some dark undertone. It's okay. I'm not too crazy about it, but it can work depending on your skin tone. I think it's all about what your skin tone is with that one. It can be very flattering or it can be very dull, depending on, again, your skin tone. So here is a more purplish type of color. I think it looks really good because purple and green looks really, really, really good. And then you have purple and red always look really, really good. Just playing around with the purples. If you thought that purple was too bright, then you can opt for more of like an eggplant, because the other two colors are so loud and just vibrant. Or maybe you want to do something more on the softer and plush side, which is like a something on the pink side. It just all depends again on the person, but this is the process of me just finding what really looks good. I definitely want people to kind of just see, so you guys can see like the transparency of what goes on, even though people be cranking out a lot of fashion content. But as a consultant or personal stylist, you have, maybe you're strategic about stuff, or you're trying to help people get the return on investment, or whatever the case may be, their styling be more valuable. It's a lot of planning and a lot of thoughts and a lot of just emphasis in stuff, not just to